In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use contactless payments at Walgreens. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using contactless payments at Walgreens is a breeze. All that you have to do is first make sure that you are using one of the two accepted methods. This includes contactless credit or debit cards. So if you grab your credit or debit card and you look for the contactless symbol, usually for wavy lines on your card, you will be able to use it to issue contactless payments. Most major networks like Visa, MasterCard, and Discover will have contactless payments enabled, and you will be able to manage this function usually through the mobile app for the bank which issued your card. You can also use mobile wallets. So if you have a phone with NFC capabilities, you can assign your card to Apple Pay or the Apple Wallet or Google Pay or the Google Wallet, and you will be able to position your phone near the card reader. Regardless of which option you pick, the actual steps include: first, once your items are scanned, the cashier will present the total amount. Hold your card or the mobile device near the payment terminal. Make sure to tap the reader itself, not the screen or other parts of the machine. So once you place your card or your phone with the mobile wallet properly set up and NFC enabled near the terminal, there will be a prompt, a confirmation message being displayed, and it might require a brief authorization depending on your card or mobile wallet setup. As soon as you authorize this transaction, you will receive an optional receipt and the transaction is done. You will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish with as many items as you want to purchase at Walgreens. Some additional tips include of any daily spending limits that might be included on your contactless card or mobile wallet setup. And while contactless payments are secure, it's always a good practice to keep an eye on your card or device during the transaction for security. I hope I was able to help you on how to use contactless payments at Walgreens. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.